right, hello. So my name is Catherine, and I write on the Substack called Solopreneur Strategy. And a couple years ago, my husband started a coaching business, and I slowly got pulled in helping him on the admin side. So as I dug into, well, what does it mean to start a business? How do you get customers? How do you keep track of things? I started digging into more what types of platforms were out there. I am a big fan of trying out different ones. There's all sorts of different platforms you can do types of project management for that you can craft towards being a small entrepreneur. I landed on Notion, and this was not actually, it took me a while. I came to Notion, got my set up my free account, looked at it, and left. I was like, I don't get it. I am in the elder millennial group, and some of you hear me when we don't always get things the first time as far as keeping up with technology. But you know what? I came back to it, and I really like it now. So I just wanted to do a few videos, really short, to the point videos for people that are also aspiring or new entrepreneurs and are just trying to find a place to keep track of everything. So each video will have a very short tip on just how to get started in Notion, and you can decide if this is the right place for you. So subscribe if you want to see all the videos, and let's start today with just a new page. So this is going to be, you have a blank page, you're starting from the very beginning. What we are going to do first is we want to make it, inviting to come back to. So go ahead and add a cover, and it is going to, oh, it chose an apple. All right, so a lot of times I will upload my own, but let's just, if you're just getting started, just pick something that's on here. So let's say we want to change this. And since we're keeping it business-like, let's just go for one color. All right. So we have that. And just for fun, we're going to add an icon. Let's go with computer. Oh my gosh, does anyone remember the floppy disk? I definitely had those in school. Okay. This is also an old looking computer, but we're going to go with this. And let's just, for today, we're just going to do a very simple task tracker. So let's say task tracker. So we're going to start with the forward slash, right? That's a forward slash, not the backslash. I think that's the forward slash. That is your go-to for finding commands in Notion. So we are going to start with a database. And we want the database, I want the table view for this. All right, so we have a new database. And it's going to be, let's say we're just going to do our weekly activities. All right, so you have your name already in here. So this is going to be, you can, let's just, for keeping it easy, let's just keep it as name. So let's say your activity this week, since I write on Substack, one of my activities would be to edit my Substack post. We're going to add, it has different properties you can choose from. So let's add the date, and then let's add one more property. I would like a status of where we're at on that. Okay. So that actually automatically gives you not started, in progress, done. So I am in progress right now. Okay. Now I want to stop there. There's a lot more you can do with this, but I want to keep these simple. If you've never tried Notion, go in, just try to do this one thing, one task tracker, and see if it works out for you. Like just try one thing. All right. See you next time. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Bye.